Welcome to our channel, guys. In this video I wanted to quickly show you two variations what to put on your bread if you are in love with some good old whole wheat bread like we are. For the first one we're gonna need some sort of legumes. I prepared some basically just brown lentils, and I'm gonna mix the lentils or mash the lentils with a good amount of tahini and some tomato sauce or tomato puree. I have no measurements for this. I think you can't go wrong. Just put everything in a bowl with your favorite spices like regular black pepper and a little bit of smoked paprika, and then I hope everything's gonna come together nicely.
2 hours later.
You could easily change the legume to, or you do, instead of using lentils you could use beans, chickpeas, kidney beans, white beans or whatever.
The ones that are like very soft?
The
ones that are very soft?
Yeah, you have to cook them until they are really soft so you can mash them together effortlessly. Effortlessly.
And if people don't want to cook them, like they're kind of lazy, do you recommend using glass?
Yeah, you could use pre-cooked lentils or beans as well. Just make sure to pick the make sure to pick the, what is that marker? The brand. Just pick the brand with the lowest sodium content, and I personally prefer, or we prefer, using glass over metal containers. Cans. Yeah, just because, well, I think glass is less toxic for the environment than the...
And for people.
And for people, yeah. And if you use canned beans, make sure to use cans without BPA lining inside to avoid any damages to your body. So this is quite, yeah, nice texture I think. So this one is gonna go on the first bread or toast or whatever you have at hand, or bagel. And now we have some toppings, fresh parsley.
What parsley is good for? Like, is it anti-inflammatory? Does it have a lot of minerals?
Well, it's a green leafy vegetable, so it's basically good for everything. But parsley is actually pretty high in iron and other minerals, but yeah, especially high in iron. But I mean, those small amounts won't change the world. So the main purpose of this one is to make it look good and to make it taste fresh. And then we have some hemp seeds, which is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and iron and zinc and calcium. But again, in this small amounts, it basically serves the purpose to taste good. Oh, that was a little bit too much. And who does not like pickled cucumbers?
Yeah, just pickles.
Pickles? Yeah, I think that's the first one. There you go, first one. And for the second one, yeah, basically just avocado on toast or on bread. I mean, who does not like a good creamy avocado? I hope it is creamy. I think
very nice.
That's a nice one.
Did you buy this avocado?
Of course not. We got it from food sharing, which is a great way to get fresh produce without paying for them. Of course, the main purpose of the whole system of food sharing is not to save money, which is actually a nice side effect. So the main purpose is to avoid food waste. Yeah, but we actually do not pay for avocados. And we have quite a lot at home.
The perks of being vegans and having fruit sharing around you.
Yeah. So,
That looks very nice.
yeah, just cut it into slices of your choice. And then spread it or lay it down on your bread, on your whole wheat bread. I think that pumpkin seeds go really well together with avocado. Yeah, despite the fact that there are already pumpkin seeds in the bread, but we don't care. We like pumpkin seeds. Great, some extra zinc, yep. And now we're gonna go for some nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast in combination with avocado is a game changer.
Cheesy taste.
Yeah, cheesy, like spice. No, not spicy. No spicy.
Flavor?
Yeah, flavor. It adds a lot of flavor to it. And I figured we might as well throw some pomegranate seeds on there to make it look extra delicious. I mean, it does not only look delicious, it is delicious. If they would only stay on top, that would be great. Yep, I think that's the second one. And there you go. So, no excuses to go for any animal product, dip or spread for your breads. You could easily whip these dips up in a couple of seconds or minutes, which is a way healthier for yourself, for the environment and for the animals. So yeah, feel free to replicate that word, reproduce the recipe and share your results on Instagram or on Facebook. Tag us at Eat the Rainbow on Instagram with the double E in the beginning, because the other one was already taken. Yeah, that's it for today. We're gonna enjoy this and then enjoy the weather outside. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Welcome to our channel, guys. In this video, ich glaube, ich habe ein bisschen laut geschrien, ne? Okay. Welcome to